Self-worth. The importance of understanding your value is the topic of our assembly today, which is being conducted by Class 5A. Good morning, everyone. I'm Falak Verma, your host for the day, and will first invite Arav Agarwal, who is an innovative boy and has a scientific bent of mind, to recite a Sanskrit shloka.
ओंकारं बिन्दुसंयुक्तं नित्यं ध्यायन्ति योगिनः कामदं मोक्षदं चैव ओंकाराय नमो नमः। अर्थात ओम बिंदु से बना है। यह ओम हमारे इच्छाओं को पूरा करता है। इस ओम को योगी लोग बहुत ध्यान करते हैं तथा हमें मोक्ष प्रदान करता है। ऐसे ओम को हम सब नमस्कार करते हैं।
Thank you, Arav, for throwing light on such an important word, Om. Let us maintain a minute of silence to pray for the well-being of everyone who are around us. I now invite my cherry-big classmate Akshita Srivastav to recite an English prayer.
Please join your hands, close your eyes, and do not repeat. Make of us the hero warriors we aspire to become. May we fight successfully the great battle of the future. That is, to be born against the past that seeks to endure, so that the new things may manifest and we be ready to receive them. Thank you.
Thank you, Akshita, for praying to the divine. My class teacher, Mrs. K.P. Gaur ma'am, will be the next speaker. She will speak a few words.
Dear children, today I want to say something to you. Something that we all teachers believe in. Children, you are magnificent. You are wonderfully made. You are a masterpiece who is intelligent, strong, and brave. You do not have to prove yourself to anyone. You have accomplished great things. Release, do away with any doubts or insecurities you may have about yourself. For you are a happy person and you are able to use this skill to bring joy to others as well. Hang on to your belief in yourself and your self-worth, and you will rock the world.
Thank you, ma'am, for your endearing words. I move on to invite our new friend Astitva Singh, who joined our school this year, to say the thought for the day.
Good morning, everyone. The thought for the day is based on the theme of our assembly today, that is self-worth. We can all achieve great things and we have within ourselves all that is needed to do so. We should not give such a great importance to physical beauty, nor should we want to only change according to how others see us. We can improve our self-worth by taking care of ourselves, doing things we like, and also spending time with people who makes us happy. Thank you.
Thank you, Astitva, for this wonderful thought. The English poem based on the theme of the assembly will be recited by my versatile friend Kashi Srivastav.
Good morning, everyone. The title of my poem is I Believe in Myself in This World. I want to be many things. People tell me I can't be everything, but I can't listen to what they say. I can't let their envy control what I think. With God, I know I can be anything, and it is Christ who strengthens me. Haters can tell me I can't. Discouragers can tell me that I won't. No matter what anybody says, I believe in myself. Anything I put my mind to, I know that's what I can do. No matter what anybody says, I believe in myself. Thank you.
Thank you, Kashvi. That was such an inspiring poem. I am sure it will make everyone believe in themselves. It is the dynamic Ishta Tandon for you, who is now going to recite a self-composed Hindi poem.
सुप्रभात। मेरी कविता का शीर्षक है आत्मविश्वास। मुसीबत का समय जब आया, आत्मविश्वास सबका डगमगाया, सबका डगमगाया। टेक्नोलॉजी का बादल जब छाया, सबका मन घबराया, सबका मन घबराया। ऑनलाइन कक्षा में पहले कुछ मुझे समझ ना आया, कुछ मुझे समझ ना आया। अब क्या होगा मेरा, सोचकर दिल घबराया, सोचकर दिल घबराया। माँ ने मुझे खूब समझाया, शिक्षिकाओं ने भी मेरा उत्साह बढ़ाया। दृढ़ संकल्प एवं लगन से मेरा आत्मविश्वास लौट आया, मेरा आत्मविश्वास लौट आया। सब कुछ मैं कर सकती हूँ, आसमान को छू सकती, आत्ममूल्य को मुट्ठी में बंदकर आत्मविश्वास को पा सकती, आत्मविश्वास को पा सकती। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Ishita, for making our day by reciting this wonderful self-composed poem. It gives me immense pleasure to invite our respected middle school academic coordinator, Mrs. Deepti Avasthi ma'am, to speak a few words.
Good morning, children. Today, I am going to share a short story with you. Once a tired bird landed on a branch of a tree. The bird rested, enjoying the view from the branch and the protection the branch offered from dangerous animals. Just as the bird became used to the branch and the support and the safety the branch offered, a strong wind started blowing and the tree swayed with such intensity that it seemed that the branch would snap in half. But the bird was not worried for it, as it knew two important truths. The first truth, even without the branch, it was able to fly and thus remain safe through the power of its own two wings. And the second truth, it also knew that there are many other branches upon which it can temporarily rest. So this short story tells us a lot about our own self-confidence and courage. We are capable of so much than we realize in our everyday life. And when we can just release our grasp on the physical structure that holds us to the ground, then we start to understand just how far we can fly under our own power. So children, always have a positive self-esteem and belief in your own unique abilities. As Kirti ma'am has said, you all are truly majestic. Stay blessed. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for enlightening us on self-worth. Let us end our assembly with some instrumental music by my friend Arpit Yadav, who is going to play Hum Honge Kamyab song on his Casio. Hum honge kamyab. The ever-smiling Samriddhi Dikshit will come to recite the closing shloka.
ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।